What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing this DMX full coverage bumper on a 2023 RZR XP1000. Before we get started, if you liked the video and it was helpful, please like the video below, hit the subscribe button, put on your notifications. It definitely helps us out here a lot at the channel, and we want to thank everybody for the support on staying up with the giveaways and all the videos and just showing us love and support. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's a pretty easy install. You have two bolts here in the front. They're gonna go down here. You're gonna take your stock bolts out, use the ones that they gave you, and then these pieces will slide in for the extra coverage, and they are gonna bolt up over here. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Not a whole bunch of bolts. I think there's six bolts altogether. You have two here. You have two on these side posts here, and then you're gonna have the ones that could go into your, replace the factory ones on your fenders. So we'll go ahead and get this thing hung and get the old stock bolts out, and should be pretty quick and easy. Definitely a great product, DMX, available on our website, teamfasmotorsports.com. And if anything, you can always give us a call, 914-799-5558. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted. Okay, so these are the two bolts you got to take out. This one I just loosened to show you real quick, but these are both 15s, and it's an 18 on the back side. Okay, so once those are out of your way, you can go ahead and line the bumper up. It's going to fit right into place here. And then we'll go ahead and get those two screws in to hold it and start lining up the rest of the kit. Okay, so what I noticed is when we went to go put this on, it was hitting the mount here for this front plastic piece. So we will go ahead and remove that. Just two star bits here, and hopefully that'll let everything sit flush and line up good. Okay, so this is a T25. Okay, so once you got this all lined up, and these are just tightened by hand. I did use a ratchet strap on by myself, so use the ratchet strap to hold the bumper in place. And this is going to be a 5/16 Allen, and you're going to hold it from the back side with a 9/16 wrench. Okay, so you don't want to fully tighten these now. You do want some adjustment for when you put your side rails in. So I would just leave it like that for now, get it all lined up, because this does have room where you can level it. So we'll level it all out, get your side pieces on, and then tighten everything up. Okay, so now once you have this hand tightened, you do want to level your front bumper and make sure everything's straight. This one has not been leveled yet. And then you have these two bolts that have to go through for your crossbar. And then your crossbar is going to go ahead and mount up in here right to the gusset. There is a hole there, so that'll go right through. Obviously keep everything loose until it is all leveled out. Now what you want to do is level it and then start with the bottom bolts. Level it and start with these bottom bolts here and tighten them up, and then I would tighten these two here, and from there you're going to go ahead and tighten the ones inside on the frame. Okay, so that'll do it for the DMX front bumper, full protection bumper. Again, I did say in the beginning that these bolted up here, which they do not. They go to a gusset underneath the fenders here. So other than that, nice bumper. Okay guys, at this point our audio on the mic did go out for some reason. I'm not sure why, if it was a cable issue or if our battery went dead, but basically just wanted to show you the final product here. It is a nice sturdy bumper. It really tightens up. You know, it kind of feels loose at first, but it definitely tightened and tied everything all together. So again, this is available for purchase on our website, teamfasmotorsports.com, or by calling us at 914-799-5558. And thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all of our giveaways and stuff that we do. We do have a bunch of good ones coming up. And again, appreciate all the support on the channel, and we will catch you on the next one.